loosen up the cap. Let the air flow through. Gonna need a 15 socket and an oil filter wrench. DC Delco filter, PF66. Your oil drain plug, oil filter, really easy, right next to each other. Nothing in the way, so pretty easy. First oil change, it's kind of loose. I don't know if that's normal. I think it's 27 pounds of force. Make sure that little rubber gasket does not fall off, because if you put it back on without that, it's going to leak everywhere. Make sure it's on there nicely. Seven quarts capacity, 0 W20. It's really thin, really dark black oil. It's normal with the diesels, very normal. As soon as I put the new oil in there, it's gonna get just as black. Kind of windy. Gonna make a mess here. Just gonna put the drain plug back on. Clean this up a bit. Don't want to over tighten it. I believe the oil pan is aluminum, so you don't want to break that. Make sure it's just snug. Perfect. Use this, put it around right here. Kind of do it a little bit at a time. Watch your lines. Make sure you don't break anything or bend anything. Drain a little bit. You don't have to, but I always like to clean it up a little bit. Make sure there's no gasket material when you have a leak. Grab your new filter. I've always done this. A lot of people don't. Put some of that old oil on the gasket. Just like that, just a little bit. Make sure it's nicely threaded on there. It spins freely, just like that. Start getting tight. I never like to use a wrench to tighten the oil filter. I just do it by hand. Just like that. It's more than plenty. Alright. 7 quarts. Put 6 in and then check the level and just add as I need. Alright guys, so what I did, I added 6 quarts of this. It takes 7, but I added 6 and the level was almost full. So I turned it on, let it run for 30 seconds, turn it off. That should make the oil go down a little bit. So we'll check the level now. Clean that up first. Check the level, see how it's almost bone dry. I don't know if you guys can see. So we'll add that last quart and it should be good. Make sure your cap's on nice and tight. Check the level now. That's where it should be. Right there. I would recommend on this one every 6,000 miles or below 20%. And then just reset the light and you're good to go. Hope this helped you guys out.